Welcome back, Israel, to the Unity Data Science channel. Hey, a big shout out, a big thank you to the 21 people who watched this video yesterday. Of course, my favorite today is, by all means, click that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Click the like button, very important, likes. Third, I'm going to say third and most important of all, click on that share button. Share this video on Facebook and Twitter today. You can also click on that share button, copy and paste a link to this video into an email or a text message today, okay? So let's get started here. And I know there's some concern with the increase in COVID-19 cases in Israel right now, but you have to keep in mind, uh, some people are claiming that the vaccines, some people, apparently the vaccine that's been that the U.S. is producing anyway doesn't keep you from getting COVID-19. It just keeps you from dying from COVID-19, or it reduces the possibility that you will die. Okay. So that's why we got to be careful with cases, because cases are going to continue to go up. The deaths are continued, or at least the number, the percentage of people dying from COVID-19 is going to continue to go down or level off. Okay. So then you can see currently Israel reported 882,000 plus cases, 6,495 deaths. If you look over here, this is probably the number that's causing a little bit of concern. You had a spike up as high as 3,849 cases. But for 731, your 7-day average for 731 is only 2,555 cases. Okay, but again, remember, the COVID-19 vaccine won't prevent this spike right here. Okay, that's why you got to keep these things in mind. Now let's come back and look at daily deaths. You can see your daily deaths are up to 10 for August 2nd. Okay, but then on August the 3rd, they're back down to 8. With a 730 July the 31st, your 7-day moving average is 4.8, 4.9 deaths per day. All right. You can see this 4 or 5 week spike here. Hopefully this is going to be the beginning of a new downward trend in these numbers. And the COVID-19 cases by week will begin a downward trend. But look at this. Yeah, you have a little bit of a spike here, but this is 50. So this is about 25. So right now you're averaging less than 25 deaths per week in Israel. Okay. And that's the number we want to focus on. We don't want to focus too much on cases, okay, at this point. Look at cases. Even though this is spike here, and this is already higher than these 3 months here, it's still much, much lower than these two numbers right here. Okay, that's the most important thing. Okay. But now let's look at the monthly deaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months in a row now. Monthly deaths have finished below this high back over here. Okay, that's what's important. That your numbers are remaining, your deaths are remaining extremely low. That's the most important factor right now. Okay. Anyway, thanks so much for your time today, Israel. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report. Hey, by the way, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the like button. And most important of all, don't forget to click on that share button. Share the video on Facebook and Twitter today. Thanks so much for your time. We'll catch you tomorrow on an updated report.